Welcome to this walk around video. Today we've got a 2020 registered Mercedes E400d AMG line night edition with the Premium Plus package. Lovely car this, inside and out, and does come with a full Mercedes service history. So on the exterior it is finished in diamond white metallic, and as it does have the Premium Plus package, you do have the Multibeam LED headlights, as well as the parking package with 360-degree cameras. With the night edition, you do have the 20-inch AMG multi-spoke design alloys, all the gloss black surrounds and mirror caps. You do also have the panoramic glass roof. Moving around to the rear, it does have a rear lip spoiler in gloss black, as well as the electric tailgate. And inside the boot it does also have the rubber mats. If we move inside to the cabin, you do have full black leather and the dinamica inserts. As you can see there, you've got the ambient lighting, all configurable through the infotainment display. Burmester surround sound system as part of the Premium Plus package. And if we take a look inside the front, you've got heated front seats with the memory package as well. Folding mirrors, of course, with the auto dimming on the driver's side. Lovely condition on the inside as well. Do of course have the widescreen infotainment display and instrument cluster. This car also comes with the traffic sign assist and blind spot assist. Having covered just over 39,000 miles as well, so nice lovely mileage for the age. You've even got a wireless charger in the center console, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and all your Comand navigation, Bluetooth, digital radio, etc. through there. If you do have any more questions or are interested in this vehicle, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 1133.